Welcome to SKYSCAPE and to your briefing. Today you will be introduced to the world of espionage and intelligence. We will build a profile of you and discover what sort of spy you'd be. It's time to see yourself and others from a spy's point of view. Intelligence goes far beyond the hidden corridors of spy agencies. Corporations collect data, journalists seek information, hackers want an in. Their motives are many and varied. Profit, truth, power. We are all being watched as we move through our daily lives. Cameras on every corner can trace our steps and identify us quickly. But our mobile phones are the most powerful spy devices of all. Because every moment of our digital activity leaves a trail. Our interests, our searches, and our purchases are all recorded. Our communications and actions are monitored in real time. We are all part of a giant surveillance operation, being watched and analyzed in ways previously unimaginable. Our locations can now be tracked with pinpoint accuracy, turning us into billions of richly detailed profiles, identifying who we are, what we think, and what we do. We are spy masters, analysts, agent handlers, intelligence operatives, surveillance officers. We will be profiling you. The identity band on your wrist is unique. It will help us to assess your skills and determine what kind of spy you'd be. Now, get ready to look at the world of spying as closely as it looks at you.